What exactly are ready-to-assemble cabinets? And how do they compare to pre-assembled ones? How do I tell if they're high quality? How hard are they to assemble? What is the best way to buy them? If you're unfamiliar with RTA cabinets and you're shopping for some for your kitchen, you're sure to have a lot of questions. And since it is such a big investment, you need to know exactly what you want and why. I'm Tiffany from Custom Service Hardware, and today we're going to discuss everything you need to know about ready-to-assemble cabinets. If you think RTA cabinets are cheap particle board things that are only suitable for the lowest quality kitchen installation, you're in for a surprise. The truth is, there are a ton of beautiful and high-quality RTA cabinet options if you know where to buy them. For example, every RTA cabinet line sold on cshardware.com features all-wood construction. This, on the other hand, is the sort of cheap cabinets you'll find on sale at big box stores. The biggest problem with big box store cabinets is their heavy use of particle board. Because particle board is made of wood chips and sawdust glued and pressed together, it has a low strength-to-weight ratio and has trouble supporting a granite countertop or even the heavy weight of everyday kitchen items. Over the course of everyday wear, these kind of cabinets often end up with ugly dents, chips, cracks, and are very susceptible to moisture damage that may delaminate and warp the boards. For comparison, we've cut this Fabuwood RTA cabinet door in half. You can see the grain of the solid wood. No sawdust or wood chips here. Every RTA cabinet line sold on CS Hardware features this high degree of quality materials and construction. Beyond basic durability concerns, there are also a number of features you'll want to look carefully for before you make your cabinet purchase. Dovetailed drawer boxes. Not only do these look stylish, but they're a sign of durable, high-quality cabinet construction that doesn't cut corners. Soft close hinges and soft close slides will make a world of difference in your day-to-day life and are a feature you should absolutely consider making a priority. These will make loud slamming of doors and drawers impossible, even when you're in a hurry. If you've ever seen a nice kitchen that uses full overlay cabinets, you know why full overlay is such a highly sought-after feature. The doors cover almost the entire frame of the cabinet, giving the whole kitchen a beautiful and cohesive look. If we take a look at this typical big box store cabinet, you'll see that it's missing a lot of those features. It doesn't have full overlay, and if you open one of the drawers, you can see that it's missing those nice dovetails you saw on the RTA cabinet from CS Hardware. It also doesn't have that wonderful soft closing feature on its doors and drawers. When someone slams one of these in your home, you'll hear it. In addition, there are lots of smaller but still important details that show a huge quality difference in big box store cabinets versus CS Hardware's RTA ones. This typical big box store cabinet has a smaller drawer despite there being plenty of room for a larger one. It has basic epoxy slides versus our stainless steel ball bearing ones, and also there's no full extension functionality. Once the drawer is open, there's a noticeable wobble even without applying any real force. It doesn't feel sturdy. And the sides of the cabinet are unfinished. Even if we had gotten a finished cabinet from the store, it would really only be the front that's finished. We'd still have to purchase the finished side panels separately if we wanted them. This base cabinet cost us $70 at the big box store, and it would have been $100 if we wanted it finished. Plus, if we wanted to add any of those premium features we talked about, it would have cost us a huge upcharge. Yet, at CS Hardware, every feature we mention comes standard on every one of our pre-finished solid wood RTA cabinet lines. Yet, the price is about the same as that $100 base quality big box store cabinet. This makes our RTA cabinets a much better value for your new kitchen or kitchen remodel. You may have a lot of questions about the assembly portion of the RTA cabinets. Just how unassembled are they? What will I have to put together? And do the doors come assembled? Here's what a typical RTA cabinet has in the box. Anyone can assemble these, even if you don't have any experience. Plus, after a bit of practice, it's actually quite easy to do. Once assembled, RTA cabinets can be handled and installed just like any other cabinet. Once you've decided what materials and features you want in your cabinets, the next big consideration is finding the perfect style for your home. Fortunately, with RTA cabinets, you don't have to settle for a limited selection of so-so finishes or styles. Because they can be stored flat and don't take up much space, many RTA cabinet suppliers are able to carry a much better selection of great styles for you to choose from. These are just a few of the amazing finishes and profiles that we carry. We hope that this information will help you as you shop for the right cabinets for your kitchen. For more information, call us at the number on the screen, email us at service@cshardware.com, or visit our website and click on the RTA Cabinets tab. Get your cabinets at Custom Service Hardware, where value meets quality.